Have you ever struggled to use your phone while driving? Maybe you have missed an important call or found it difficult to follow directions on your phone's map app. Well, there is a solution that can help make your drive safer and more convenient. It's called Apple CarPlay. Apple CarPlay is a software application developed by Apple that allows you to connect your iPhone to your car's infotainment system, providing a more seamless and integrated experience. Once connected, your iPhone's screen is mirrored onto your car's display, giving you access to all iPhone's apps and functions without ever having to pick up your phone. From the home screen, you can access apps like phone, messages, music, and navigation, all with a tap or voice command. Using a Apple CarPlay Siri voice command feature, you can make phone calls, send and receive messages, and even control your music without ever taking your hands off the wheel. And when it comes to navigation, Apple CarPlay works with your iPhone's built-in map apps or other third-party navigation apps like Google Maps or Waze, providing you with real-time traffic updates and turn-by-turn directions. If you love to listen to music while you drive, you can access your iPhone's music library or use streaming apps like Spotify or music through Apple CarPlay. And when you are ready to disconnect, simply unplug your iPhone and everything goes back to normal. Apple CarPlay is available on many newer car models, and can also be added to older cars with aftermarket head units that support CarPlay. If you want to add Apple CarPlay to your older car, there are many aftermarket head units available that support CarPlay. These can be installed by a professional or with a little bit DIY know-how. So if you are planning or if you are looking for a safer and more convenient way to use your iPhone while driving, check out the Apple CarPlay.